Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Rebecca, and if you're not new here, you're probably wondering when I started living my best baby spice life, and the answer to that is only a few days ago. So I myself am still getting used to it. I absolutely love it though. I'm so happy I did it. I've been thinking about it for a long time. I'm still toning everything out and getting everything to where it needs to be. So I'm actually gonna be demonstrating how I'm going to be doing that later in the video, but the theme of today's video is how to extend your style. And what that means basically is how to care for your hair, your color, your scalp at home, in between salon visits, and in between your own personal stylings. I'm going to show you a few new products that I've discovered today, demonstrate a few of my faves. I feel like I've found so many helpful products recently, especially when it comes to the tone and not washing your hair. So with that being said, I'm going to show you some of my new favorite products and how to use them. I'm here with Ulta. They have very kindly sponsored this video and I am so excited. So let's just jump into it. All right, so the first thing we're gonna touch on today is why washing your hair every day is so bad for you and your hair color. When you wash your hair every day, not only are you stripping yourself of your natural oils, but you're also stripping your hair of that precious pigment you probably paid a ton of money for, because I know that I'm paying a ton of money for it. So what I like to do is I try my absolute best to only wash my hair around 2 to max 3 times a week. And if I do, I try to wash it with lukewarm to cold water. And let me just be honest, I am not always the best at doing it. I still take my hot showers, and I'm gonna tell you how I still take my hot showers later in the video. But if you want the most vibrant and long-lasting hair color, my best suggestion is using dry shampoo when you can. So the first dry shampoo I want to talk about today is actually by Living Proof, and it's called Perfect Hair Day Dry Shampoo. I had heard about this so much before actually trying it myself. I think I tried it out in Sephora one time. I absolutely loved it, but I was like, I don't know if I want to buy it because I still had dry shampoo at home, but I got the opportunity to try this, and this is the best dry shampoo I have ever tried in my entire life. So it states that it actually cleans the hair, eliminates oil, sweat, and odor, and I believe that because I have gone at least 4 or 5 days without washing my hair, and this has saved my life. My number one tip in general when it comes to dry shampoo is to sleep with it in. So if I gotta wake up with clean hair the next day, my favorite thing to do is I'll apply the dry shampoo to my scalp, and then I'll just throw it up in a bun and let me tossing and turning during the night work in the dry shampoo as best as it possibly can. You wake up with such clean and nice hair. It is the best tip I can possibly give you. Another dry shampoo I've recently discovered that reminds me of the Living Proof one is by ACV, and it's an apple cider vinegar powder dry shampoo. So this one I really like because you can just kind of pop it in your purse. It's a non-aerosol formula, and all you gotta do is like do and go, kind of work it through, brush it out, and you're good to go. It's really, really nice. It smells super good too. I was actually really hesitant to try this one because it said apple cider vinegar on it. I absolutely hate the smell of apple cider vinegar. I think it's so gross. But this one smells nothing like apple cider vinegar. It smells like a fresh apple candle or something. I don't really know how to describe it, but it does not smell bad. It smells super, super good. Another cool thing about this one is it adds a little bit of like texture and lift. So not only does it like absorb the oils, if you're out and about and your style is just looking a little bit lackluster, you can just do and your hair will be good. In case you're sitting there like, Rebecca, I really do not need this hardcore of dry shampoos. Can you please recommend something else? One my mom recommended to me is the Redken Invisible Dry Shampoo. It says refresh with no residue. So this keeps your style good for 2 days and it doesn't leave any white powdery residue. If you're into that, this could be good for you. Now on to the masking portion. All right, so the first thing I'm gonna recommend when it comes to mask and hair color is going to be a sealant mask. This one is by Madison. Basically what this is a mask that you apply after you shampoo the hair color out of your hair. And this literally helps pop, lock, and drop the color into your hair and seals it in there for good. It's a highly concentrated formula. It smells super good, and you can just pick these up at Ulta whenever you need them. They're only $5. I don't really keep these on hand, but every time I know I'm gonna dye my hair, I'll swing by, I'll pick up a concealer, I'll pick up a mask, and I'm good to go. So something I also like to do is I like to replace my regular conditioner with a hair mask. I've been doing this for as long as I can possibly remember. Sometimes I feel like a regular conditioner doesn't really cut it when you have super dry and processed hair, so this is what I've been using recently. This is the IGK Offline 3-Minute Hydration Hair Mask. This is so good. Not only does it smell good, but it has a bunch of good stuff in it. It has turmeric butter, green tea seed oil, and jojoba oil. So it's a deeply hydrating mask that restores healthy looking hair in 3 minutes. And this is specifically for dry, damaged hair. You can actually see how much I've used of it. I think I've had this for around 2 or 3 weeks or so. I don't know, I really enjoy this one. Super good. If you're looking for something like this, I do recommend you pick it up. All right, let me get real with you for a second. This is one of the best colored conditioners in my shade that I have ever found, and I am absolutely in love with it. This is the 4 Reasons Toning Treatment in the shade Copper. And before I tell you any more about the mask, I figured it would just be best to show you because a lot of people don't understand how toning treatments work, how colored conditioner works. So I'm gonna go wash my hair and I'll be right back. So I'm back, my hair is freshly washed. I'm actually gonna put on some gloves because I don't wanna stain my hands, obviously. This looks so silly. So I'm just gonna take a dollop of this silver mask. Looks like this. It's just a really nice purple hue. Obviously want to protect my blonde hair from all of the copper conditioner I'm about to put everywhere else. Pop it into a foil to keep it nice and safe. Fold it on there. Not my best foil technique, but it'll have to do. So I just took about that much. I'm gonna work it in my hands and I'm gonna apply it from ends to root. So yeah, this is basically what I do in between salon treatments. I'll just give myself a little self-care night and refresh my hair color. I'll even do some skincare after this, but this is just such a nice thing to do for yourself. It makes me feel so fresh and happy and vibrant. It just makes me feel so good. I love brushing through it too, not only to detangle my hair, but it just makes sure that everything is even. Oh, and since this is a color mask, it doesn't have any ammonia or harsh chemicals in it. This is literally just a color depositing mask. It's just supposed to make your hair feel and look really good. All right, so I'm gonna leave that in for 10 minutes and I'll be right back. All right, so I'm back and this is the final look. It's so pretty, it's so vibrant, it's so soft and healthy. It just feels really good. I cannot recommend it enough. And not to be weird, but I wish you guys could feel it. It just feels really nice. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you have any questions, just leave them for me down below. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoy the content, and I will see you next time.